where steel giants are born, each machine crafted to conquer mountains and move the earth itself.
Lift it slowly now, watch the clearance.
Roger that, bring it down easy.
Look at the rust near this edge.
Yes, I see the pitting. I'll make a note of it.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the grade markers.
Right there, easy now.
These are ready for stacking. Confirmed. A little lower, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side. Okay, right there. Perfect.
Batch 7 confirmed. It matches the manifest.
All right, mark it as received. Check this seam right here. Looks good. All clear.
This section looks good, but the scanner picked up a slight anomaly here.
I see that. Let's make a note to double check that area before signing off.
Looks good, seals are perfect.
All right, moving it up now.
Easy now, center it up.
Looks good right there. Lower it slowly.
The dimension here is 150 millimeters.
Yes, and the caliper reading matches. Recording it now.
Tag complete. Confirmed. Staging zone 2 is clear.
Line 3 cut is complete. Measurements confirmed.
Acknowledged. Good to go.
Watch the clearance on that beam. Coming through on the left.
We are off by 2 degrees on the left.
Okay, increasing pressure now. Check again.
All right, bring it up now. Easy on the swing. Clear on the left, set it down. Check the angle on this one.
It's reading 90.1, slightly off.
Adjust it down a tenth.
Calipers show it's within spec.
But look at this surface finish here. I'm marking it.
All right, let's move these to the holding area.
Lower the gear, easy now. All right, hold it there, looks good. Check the finish on these brackets before they go into the bin.
Looks good. Moving to assembly.
Lower the hoist, easy now. All right, we're locked in, secured.
Move that plate to the left.
Okay, I got it.
A little to the left. Perfect. Start tightening the hydraulics.
We need adjustment on the laser. It's off.
Got it. Realigned.
Hold it there. A little lower on your side. Okay, easy now, set it down. A little to the right, that's it.
All right, I've got the alignment pin ready. Lower it.
We need to route this one under the main arm. Okay, pull it through slowly.
Alignment confirmed, tolerance is met.
Same here. We are good to go.
Initiating phase 2 transfer sequence. Lower it slowly, just a few more inches. Got it. Ratchet engaged. We've got a seep right here.
Okay, let's tighten that clamp and retest the pressure.
Check the pressure on manifold 7.
It's holding steady at 50 psi.
Ensure these harnesses are routed clear of the moving parts.
Okay, testing the panel now. Continuity check complete. We are good to go.
Fuel systems checked and connected. Pressure gauges holding steady, Supervisor.
Diagnostics are linked. Pressure levels stabilizing at nominal.
Fuel prime complete. Finalizing safety restraints now.
The fitting on this fuel line needs tightening.
All right, circling that now. Good catch.
Check the schematic again. This routing seems off.
It matches the diagram perfectly. We are ready for the pressure test.
Almost done with this section. Okay, moving up. Keep coming straight.
A little more to the left.
Okay, stop right there.
There is a slight unevenness right here. Okay, I will circle it now.
Check SN789. Make sure it matches the batch code.
Confirmed. Moving to the next unit.
We have a slight inconsistency right here.
Noted. I'll flag this one for rework on the tablet.
Clear left side, move it back 5 feet.
Set it down right here. Watch the clearance on your side.
Clear. Ratchet engaged. Confirmed secure.
Check the continuity on Module 4. It should beep green.
Looks good. Alignment verified. Let's move to the next panel.
Check complete. Smooth movement confirmed.
Check the gauge movement here. We still have a slight variance.
Yes, adjusting the potentiometer now. It's stabilized.
Is the alignment good on the mirror?
Looks solid, torque it down.
Secure.
Okay, power on.
Yep, indicator's working.
Reading confirmed. Ensure all cabin bolts are finalized before proceeding. Initiate the sequence for Arm 2. Monitor the pressure closely.
Sequence initiated. Readings are stable.
Okay, the braking test is complete. Proceed to the handling course on lane 2.
We are seeing minimal deviation on the sensor array.
Confirmed. Pressures are stabilizing right on target.
Check the vibration dampening on engine 4. It's reading high.
Already on it. The parameters are fluctuating.
The compression on this side is still too high. Adjust the dampening rate.
Start the maneuver now. Slow turn to the right. Turning right.
Steering responsiveness is within tolerance.
We're seeing a consistent drop in engine output here.
My readings confirm the pressure fluctuations.
Adjust the parameters and rerun the diagnostic sequence.
Safety systems verified. Status green.
Noted. Compliance check passed.
Linkage calibrated.
Confirmed. The electrical connection is secure.
Finalizing torque on the hydraulic bolts now. Hydraulics secured and ready for sign-off.
Confirmed. Moving to final diagnostics.
Alignment confirmed.
Approved for transport.
Well done, team. See you on the line.
Ensure the corner protector is secure. It is. Bring the main strap over. Pulling the rope now. Watch your hands.
That's the last one for line 3. Very great. Great, I'll sign off on the manifest now. Check the tension on the 5th link. It looks loose.
Okay, I see it. I'll adjust the pressure now.
Easy now, bring it down slow. Watch the alignment on this side. It's locked in.
This chain needs tightening. Already noted it here, just waiting on maintenance.
That was a long one today.
Yeah, but we got it done. Ready for a cold one?
You know it.